Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change language on MacBook Pro. So let's get started. Go ahead and click on the Apple logo at the top left corner. Click on System Preferences from the pop-up menu. Go ahead and click on the Language and Regions option, and then under Preferred Languages, click on the plus icon. Now, select a preferred language you would like to change to from the list. Once you are done making a selection, click on Add, and in order to change to your preferred language, click on the Use option. Now, you have successfully set up a primary language for your system. That is how you can easily change your language on MacBook Pro. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.